Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a limited edition box, and this is from Glossybox, and this is their Mother's Day limited edition beauty box 2022. So if you want to see what's inside in this box, just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, lovelies, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. We're unboxing the limited edition Mother's Day edition from Glossybox, and I think, if I'm not wrong, the price is $25 for non-subscribers and £20 for subscribers. I will pop here if I'm wrong, and you can choose two shades of the box. You can choose the pink one and the baby blue one, but I'm really happy that I got the pink one, and it says "You are the best." I really love the box. So pretty, isn't it? I really do like the box. And it's available today, which is Friday 4th of March. So it's available now. So if you want to purchase it, all the link, all the info will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. Ooh, oh, smells nice. When you open it, it smells gorgeous. So you will get the pink tissue paper, and then you will get a booklet, and this is the baby blue one, and then you get all the info products inside with the information, with the prices, and it says, "Hey Glossy, someone who loves you really wants to show you they care this Mother's Day, which is why you have received our Glossybox Mother's Day limited edition. Unwrap this gift and you will find 10 incredible beauty bites from the world of hair, skin, body, makeup, and more. Want to give your locks a new lease of life? So we've got a styling foam for the job. Does your skin need a little TLC? The face mask and cream within this edit will brighten and nourish. You are sure to find your new favorite. Go to inside. Love, Emily." So let's see inside. Oh, it's full of product. This box is very heavy, lovelies. The first one we have here, and I love this brand. It's one of my favorite brand, and this is from Elemis, the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash Skin Smoothing Cleanser. Here we go. It has 30 ml. I'm sure this travel size, and this one it's retail for £6.90. The full size, which is 200 ml, it's retail for £34, and it says effectively remove pollutants, dirt, and impurities from your skin with this face wash to leave your complexion bright and beautiful. This enzyme gel cleanser also gently exfoliates, while its skin refining formula also resurfaces the skin while supporting its natural microflora. So yeah, so this is the first product. So another brand that's my favorite one, which is the Molten Bronze. This is the delicious rhubarb and rose bath and shower gel. I think this is a travel size, but love this one. It smells gorgeous. It smells like rose, fresh. Molten Bronze products, I love them because the perfume lasts throughout the day. So yes, glad it's in here. And this one is retail for £10. The full size, which is 300 ml, it's retail for £22. I love the smell, very refreshing one. And it says in here on the leaflet, revitalize your shower routine with this stunning signature scented body wash with the distinctive delicacy of Yorkshire rhubarb leaf, soft rose, and finish with zesty grapefruit, among more. You will be sure to start your day feeling fresh, clean, and calm. I love the smell. I really love the smell. And then the next one we have here, and this is from COLLAB. This is the Restore Hand Cream with cocoa butter, mei-chang, and peppermint. It has 50 ml. Let's smell it. It has the sealed on, lovelies. Like I can still smell it. It smells like peppermint. It smells like man aftershave. It smells gorgeous too. And this one, it's full size and it's retail for 8 pounds. And it says, deeply enriching, this cream delivers an intense shot of moisture to hard-working hands. A blend of sweet orange and peppermint essential oil, soften and soothe thanks to their natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Meanwhile, shea and cocoa butter creates a protective barrier for the skin, maintaining the health of your hands for longer. And then the next one here, it's one of my favorite too, and this is from Feather and Down. This is the Sweet Dreams Pillow Spray. It has 50 ml. So this is a travel size and it's retail for £3.50. The full size, which is 100 ml, it's retail for £7. And it says the infusion of lavender and chamomile essential oil in this lip spray help relax an anxious mind, encourage calm, and the end result, a restful night's sleep. Sink into your pillow, close your eyes, and unwind to the soothing fragrance. You will awake feeling rested and revived. I use this every time when I feel very anxious, and it smells gorgeous, lovely. It smells lovely. It smells like lavender, very relaxing smell, but it's not really that overpowering like fake lavender scent. It smells gorgeous. I really do love the smell. So the next one we have here, it's one of my favorite brand too. I always purchase their advent calendar every year. I think I didn't unbox that one last year, but I purchased it. It's in here, and I love this brand. This is from Rituals, the Ritual of Myrrh, one of my favorite range too. And this is the Loving Body Cream, and I don't really mind receiving more of this product because I use them a lot. I'm using now the foam shower gel, and it smells gorgeous, lovely, and the smell, it lasts you through the day. So I love the smell of Rituals. So this is a travel size. It's retail for £10. The full size, which is 220 ml, it's retail for £18.50. And it says, one region nourish skin that boosts a delightfully joyous fragrance. This body cream is for you, containing uplifting sweet orange and stimulating cedarwood. It helps to hydrate your skin while also treating your soul to energizing properties. And the smell, lovely. It's not really that overpowering smell that it gives you headache. No, it smells lovely. I really love this brand. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Avida. This is the Foamolian Styling Foam. Here we go. So lovely, this one. And this one is a travel size, and it's retail for £9. And the full size 200 ml, it's retail for £20. And it says, creating weightless body and volume with even the finest of hair. This styling foam is a dream. Air-infused technology transforms a liquid into a foam and adds shine to your lock to leave them looking their very best. I will try this one and then we'll see. Here we go. And then the next one we have here, I tried this one before and it smells gorgeous. And this one is from Dove, the 1 minute super condition intensive repair. This is the one that it smells through the box. Dove products smell gorgeous. I am not sure if it's alright for my hair, but still I love the smell. I know this is a full size and it's rated for £4. Smells gorgeous, lovely. Transform your everyday hair wash into a moment of intensive damage hair repair with ease. Working in just 1 minute, you will no longer have to find the time to give your locks the attention they deserve. Infused with the transformative power of serum capsules, this conditioner will leave you with beautifully recovered, resilient hair. It smells lovely. I love the smell. And then the next one we have here, it looks like this. The packaging is gorgeous. You can reuse this one when you bring your sunglasses. And it says, take a peek. And this is from Temple Spa, and we have 2 products inside. So we have the Temple Spa Life Defense SPF 30 moisturizer, and then we have the Leaf Defense, which is the SPF 30 protecting lip balm. So you have 2 products inside, and this one you can reuse it. As I said, you can put your sunglasses here or something else, and it's really made properly too. And this one is retail for 30 pounds, and it says this summer savior duo will safeguard your lips and skin, leaving them comfortable, radiant, nourished, and healthy. Both daily moisturizing cream, the life defense, and clear, deeply hydrating anti-pollution lip balm lip defense feature SPF 30 and blue light protection to help protect against the natural environment and digital screens. I really like that it's as SPF 30 because I'm using the moment SPF 30. Once we're moving to spring or summer, I usually use SPF 50. But yes, this is the 2 products. And then the other product, I really love this brand from Sarah Chapman, London, Skin Assist 3D Moisture Infusion. I love this brand. I tried this one before and it's really good. Very expensive one because I think this one is retail for 15 pounds. So there's only 1 mask inside, and it's a full size, and it says this innovative therapeutic strength biocellulose mask envelops the face like a second skin to instantly hydrate, soothe, and plump, infused with a miracle working serum that features hyaluronic acid and rose water. This mask quenches the skin with moisture. Dull, dehydrated skin will soon have a radiant, luminous glow. As I said, I tried this product. It's really good. After I use this one, love this. My skin feels soft, smooth, really very hydrated. It's really good product. And then the last one we have here, I think I have already this product, and it's really good. This is from Terry by Terry one. This is the Baume de Rose Flaconet Liquid Lip Balm, as you can see, and this is a travel size, and it's retail for 14 pounds. The full size, which is 7 ml, is retail for 34 pounds, and it says a vitamin rich handbag must have that keeps lips intensely moisturized and protected on the go. It harnesses the power of rose blossom essential wax to repair the condition of dry chapped lips, while its delicate rose scent soothes the scents at the same time. This lip balm, lovely, is not really sticky at all, so it's really comfortable on the lips. So yes, thumbs up this one. I think I have 2 or 3 of this lip balm that I don't really mind because I really do like it. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. As you can see, there's loads of products inside. So yes, let's do a recap. So you will receive the lip balm from by Terry, face mask from Sarah Chapman, the Skin Assist 3D Moisture Infusion. You will get in this bag this little pouch with the Tempo Spa Life Defense SPF 30 Moisturizer and the Lip Defense SPF 30 Protection Lip Balm. And then you will get a full size from Dove. This is the 1 Minute Super Conditioner Intensive Pair, and it smells lovely. And then you will get in this box from Avida, the Foamulient Styling Foam. The other product you received that I love from Rituals, the Ritual of Mare Loving Body Cream. And then you will get from Elemis, the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. And then from Cowshed, the Hand Cream, a full size, smells lovely. And then the other product that I really enjoy using, the Feather and Down Sweet Dreams Pillow Spray. If you suffer like a migraine like me, I highly recommend this one because once I put on my pillow, it relaxes, smells lovely, smells relaxing. So yes. And then this one here, which is I love too, the Molten Bronze Bath and Shower Delicious Rhubarb and Rose, smell refreshing one. I love it. So yeah, that's all. As you can see, it's full of products inside. Overall, lovely. This is a great box in my opinion. Great brands, and the sizes is not bad. The sizes is really a nice generous size, like you can try it a few times for a week. So yes, and also lovely. It's really a great gift, like 20 to 25 pounds. This is really a good gift for moms, or for moms, for grandma, for our auntie. This is really a great box in my opinion. So that's all for my lovelies. What do you think of this box? Are you waiting? Did you get it this box? What color did you get? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovely. Bye.